Welcome to our celebrity talk show. My name is Nesta Gachange, or you can call me Energies. Right now we are in Kwazana 1 at Tampets Music Productions, where we are going to meet Sammy Moyo. So let's go ahead. I'm with Sammy Moyo, just kind of Geza. Sammy, welcome to this celebrity talk show.
Thank you, I'm very excited to be here.
Same here. So tell us more about yourself. Who is Sammy Moyo?
Well, the real Sammy Moyo is Sammy Moyo. I was born in Bulawayo, and then I grew up in Namibia. And then from Namibia I came back, that was last year.
Okay, yeah. So when did you start this music thing?
Well, I started singing when I was 5. And then I started recording. That was last year, 2023.
So how has been the journey? Any challenges?
Yeah, I really faced some big challenges because I really wanted to record, but I didn't know how and when to record. And then, yeah, that was my biggest challenge. And then the other challenge is that most of my parents, they were not really supportive of music thing. So I really faced some, difficulties there, because for me to start record in the studio, I did my first recording in here. Yeah. I started when there wasn't much, I think, much something. Yeah. I really didn't know that we had a studio in this area until that was the when we had a party at our house, and then I was sent to go and load some music in Flash, and then I had a friend had to tell me that, oh, we had this guy done, and then I was actually standing by this window, and then I saw some music condensers and then stuff. And then I actually asked them, like, do you guys do this recording thing? And they were like, yeah. And then like, can I enter and use some mics? And I'm like, oh. And then that was when I did my first recording. Interesting. Yeah, very interesting. He just told me to come back the next day, and we started doing things,
So any current projects?
Oh yeah, I actually released my Singles Collection album Invisible. That was 2 weeks ago.
Okay, it is called Invisible. Okay, wow. So Ratubuda, or we are waiting for it?
It's still out. It's now out.
Okay, so that's great.
Yeah.
So are you signed or you are independent?
I'm not signed.
You're only working with Tappets, or you are working with so many studios?
I can say I'm not only working with Tappets, but mainly I'm working with Tappets. Because other studios, they know me from Tappets. Yeah, so basically they can call me some days, we have the music from Tappets, so we just want some little help from you. So that's when I get to some other studios coming from Tappets. Yeah,
that's great.
I actually do Afro-Modern, but I can do every genre, but mainly it's Afro-Modern.
So viewers, as you all know, we cannot live without performance. So you can perform a song Invisible.
Alright. So I'm gonna perform the one called Boys Like You. Wow. Yeah, it's actually one of my best. Okay.
Yeah. We can't wait. Let's get ready for Boys Like You.
No go busy.
like you. No go be easy. Boys like you. No go be easy. Boys like you. No go be easy. Boys like you. No go be easy. I thought we were gonna grow together.
Wow, that was a great and awesome performance.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You have a nice voice.
Really appreciate it.
Kuti tsvage music yako kana kuti uwane music yako tinoiwana papi?
Or you can find my music on SoundCloud, Spotify, and YouTube. And then my social media platforms, section is Sammy Moyo. That includes everything. IG, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, just Sammy Moyo. Yeah.
Okay, viewers, that was it for Celebrity Talk Show. Let's meet again next week, same time.